YouTube, Chastek's back with another great video, and today's video is about fixing a Windows Defender or Windows security that's not working on your computer. So to fix the Windows security or the Windows Defender, on this video we are going to see two basic solutions that will solve this Windows Defender problem. So stay tuned until the end of the video, and if you are new here, please subscribe this channel and like and share for others, and you can give me comments on the comment section. Now let's see how can we solve it. So the first solution that we are going to see is opening the app feature on your Windows computer. So to open the app feature on your Windows computer, here we are going to click the Windows icon here, then select setting. After the setting opens, here we find apps. Then select apps and then select app and features here. After the app and features opened, here we are going to search the Windows security. So it will be on the bottom part. As you can see here, Windows security is here available. So then here we click the three dots over here and select advanced options. So after the advanced options opens, here we should have to make sure that app permissions are on. It should have to be turned on, and background app permission, and this criteria should have to be always or power optimized recommended. The two options should have to be on. It should not be on the never option. So select power optimized option or always option on this background app permission. So I'm going to use the power optimized recommended option. And finally, we will go to the two basic solutions related with repair and reset. So the first thing that we are going to do is selecting repair. So select repair, and it will fix problems inside the app data. So it's not going to affect any data, but it tries to repair the function inside the Windows security or the Windows Defender which is hindering or protecting it from working. So after the repair function finished, check your Windows security whether it's working correctly or not. Then if your Windows security is not working, again you can select this reset option here, the reset. So if this app is not working right, reset it. The app data will be deleted. So you are going to use some data related with the Windows security, not other information, but related with the Windows security. You will lose some personal data, but resetting can also solve this problem. So select reset, then this will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preference. And if you have any sign-in details, those will be removed. So select the reset. So it will process or make a reset to the Windows security. And after this Windows security reset completed, then check your Windows Defender is working correctly or not. If it's not working correctly, then we are going to use another solution. So the other solution is using the Windows PowerShell. Here, select the search icon and type Windows Power. So here it's already here, but let me type it PowerShell. So here we find the Windows PowerShell app. So we are going to right click on it and run it as administrator. So run as administrator, here the PowerShell opened. So we are going to copy paste a command. I'm going to give you, here I have the command on my notepad. Here we have two different commands for Windows 11 and for Windows 10. So if you are using Windows 11, you can use this command, but if you are using Windows 10, your build number should have to be 10.17.5 or later. So you can check this by going to the system of your computer, and you can check your operating system build number. So if you are using Windows 10, you can use this command, and if you are using Windows 11, then you can use this command. So I'm going to put this on the description box, the link, and you can find the document on the Telegram channel of ChatTech, and you can find also other material. So let's copy this one and paste it here and press enter. So it will start resetting the Windows Defender or the Windows security. And as you can see here, the Windows Defender or the Windows security resetting function complete. So I'm going to close here the Windows the PowerShell, and here you can find the Windows Defender by clicking here the arrow and selecting here the Windows security, which is the shell here, and you can open it and you can find here the Windows security. And as you can see, it's now working on the computer. So you can here turn on the treatment, and you can dismiss if you have any action, is if you are not needing any action. So you can turn the green light for all of them. You can turn on or you can dismiss it, and you can get all the green lights for the Windows Defender or the Windows security. And if you do not find the Windows security here, even you can select here the Windows icon, and you can select here the setting, and after the setting open here, you can check the Windows Defender or security on your here privacy and security of your computer, privacy and security. Then you can find here Windows security. Now here you find the Windows Defender or the Windows security. So these are the two basic solutions that helps you to start or to make work your Windows Defender or Windows security. I think this video is helpful, and if you get anything helpful, give me comments, like and share, and give me subscribe my channel for today. Just take out.